So here we are on Kawasaki Karen. I've had hassles with her and she's still not right. Just at the low end. I'm now tempted to think it's valve seals that have gone and need doing. It just seems to be when I did the valve clearances, a bit of an excess of oil in that top rocker cover, and I think there's oil either slipping past the rings or the valve seals. It's just on that back pot, and it's just not quite right. I don't know whether to I should take plug back out and just check it out again. What are you doing? What a clown. Absolute spanner. So it's just slightly missing at them low revs. Well, I think it's missing on all revs, but you notice it more on the low. You can just hear it there. Then tickle throttle, she's responsive enough. It's just that a bit hesitant there. And I mean, to be fair, that is second, but you'd have thought. Now, I want to come down here to see if my barbers is up. And if he is, better get my hair cut. Oh, it looks like he's open. What a good do. Fucking idiot. bet there's absolutely no chance of me talking here. Be interesting to see what it does. That Tesla just come flying past me. Like I'm going to try racing that Tesla on this. This is fucking stupid. I'm hoping taking it for a bit of a blast. Might just, if there is any residue of oil in chamber or what, burn it off. Again, I don't know if it's seeped past because obviously it thinned out quite a lot, didn't it? So it changed the viscosity. Having fuel with oil. And I've just put E5 in it. It's still sluggish there. I don't know, maybe I should just have a tinker with mixture again. I don't know. Suggestions would be good. Other than, you know, just take fuel filter off, let it all spill out like a match. No. She's a good little girl, is our Karen. She just needs sorting. That's all. You know, she's 26-year-old now. She just needs a little bit of loving. That's all. For those of you who are late to life in biking and you only rode newer style bikes, i.e. without a carb and with ABS and traction control and all the rest of that good stuff, highly recommend getting yourself something like this. Doesn't have to be a bobber, does it? But get yourself an out bike, something you can play with, tinker with. Right, you're not going to lose money on it unless you properly wreck it. But it's a more pure, ride. It's a throwback. I mean, you know, this is a 90s bike. Ideally, I'd love to have a 1970 bike. So a bike from 1970, same age as me. You know, but although this is a 90s bike, essentially there's not much difference between this and one from, you know, 50s. Well, alright, 4-stroke. You know what I mean? Still got the same fundamental bits. Drum brake on rear. It's chain, it's not a shaft, it's not a belt. No, it's got a carburetor that sucks in air, sucks in fuel, spits it into a chamber with 4-stroke compression to its bliss. Goes in the chain drive to make the back wheel drive, and that's it, right? None of your fancy gubbins. Alright, I put that on. It's not an actual digital speed. I did buy a GPS speedo for it and never got around to putting it on because I just used that instead. I've just got an old Android phone. Use that. Got the speedo down there. Don't work. I've got the dry cog for it. Just use that instead. I feel like a pig in shit tonight. I'm telling you. We've got to get heads on both bikes. What a good do. What are Sundays for?